In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a call in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a call so it's logged, linked to the right person, and easy to follow up on. First, open Pipedrive and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Activities. This is your hub for all upcoming and past to-dos, calls, meetings, and tasks. It's where you'll keep track of what's coming next, so getting comfortable here will save you time. Once you're in the Activities view, go to the top of the list and find the plus icon. Click that to add a new activity. This is the shortcut to creating anything you want to track, and it keeps your pipeline tidy because everything you plan gets captured right away. Now, let's set up the actual call. In the activity form that opens, fill in the key details for your call. Add a clear subject so you know exactly what the call is about at a glance. Link the call to the correct contact person, and if relevant, associate it with a deal or organization so the conversation stays connected to your sales context. Most importantly, make sure the activity type is set to call. This is essential for accurate reporting and for filtering your to-dos later, so you can quickly see all your calls in one place. Choose the date and time that works, and double-check the time zone if you work across regions. If you like reminders, set a notification so you get a heads up before the call. In the Notes section, jot down your agenda, key talking points, or any questions you want to cover. That way, when the time comes, you're prepared and don't have to dig for information. Before you finish, give everything a quick scan. Subject is clear, contact person is correct, activity type is call, and the timing is right. Adding tags or a simple label in the subject, like intro or follow-up, can help you recognize the purpose at a glance later. That's all. You've scheduled a call in Pipedrive. It's now visible in your activities list, organized alongside everything else you need to do. When the call time arrives, you'll have the context, the notes, and the contact all in one place. To recap, open Activities on the left, hit the plus icon to create a new activity, and complete the call details, especially setting the activity type to call and linking the right contact. Keep your descriptions clear and your notes practical, and you'll never lose track of a conversation again.